Hi everyone, it's Jeff here from Avada. In this video, I will take a look at how to extend or renew Avada support. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell icon to be notified of all new content. Okay, let's begin. Avada customers get 6 months of hands-on support for free with their purchase, and in this video, we're going to look at how this can be extended or renewed if you require ongoing support. Here at Avada, we take product support very seriously. To underpin Avada's growth, we aspire to deliver world-class professional support. This is in line with our support policy, which you can read at avada.com/support-policy. To this end, we provide extensive documentation and video tutorials covering all aspects of setting up, building, and maintaining an Avada website. Currently, there are over 550 docs and 300 videos available. As well as this, we have a dedicated support ticket system as part of my.avada.com, our support and licensing portal. Here you can submit a ticket to our team of professional support experts who will then support you one-on-one until your issue is resolved. If you require longer direct support than the 6 months provided, there are options for extending or renewing. There are 3 scenarios for when you can extend or renew Avada support. The options available will depend on when you make the support purchase. A support upgrade is 6 months of additional support for a total of 12 months that can be purchased at the time of buying Avada. This is the most affordable option at 37.5% of the item price. A support extension is 6 months of additional support that can be purchased at any time after the initial purchase, provided the current support period hasn't yet expired. This is charged at 62.5% of the item price. Finally, a support renewal is 6 months of additional support that can be purchased after any existing support for an item has expired. This is charged at 87.5% of the item price. Please remember this is Avada item support and we have no control over the pricing model. Also, the percentages mentioned here are calculated not from the total price, but from the item price, which is the total price minus the buyer's fee. Avada takes $12 as a buyer's fee from the total price. Okay, so now let's just look at how to purchase additional support. If I go to the Avada item page on ThemeForest.net, you can see here that at the time of purchase, I can extend support to 12 months for an additional fee. If I logged into an account that had purchased Avada and where the support is still valid, I would also see a link to extend the support. Finally, if I log into an account that has purchased Avada, but the support has expired, then we can see an option to renew support for an additional 6 months. You will also see a link in the download section on each item to extend or renew support. In any case, support is just like any other product on Avada. To purchase it, you just add this to the cart and buy it like any other item. Okay, once you have purchased a support extension or renewal, you have to let us know. To do this, head to my.avada.com and log in. On your dashboard, you will see the Renew Support section, and here there is a refresh icon. Also, in the support section, there is another place to refresh your support status. Just click on that, and the system checks your status, and your support will be extended or renewed. Okay, one final note, and that is about grandfathered support. If you purchased your Avada license prior to Avada introducing paid support, so before 1st of September 2015, then you have grandfathered support. If that's the case, you will see a notice to that effect in your my.avada.com account. Okay, that's it for this video. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel to keep up with all the latest videos. And if you have any questions or need assistance, please create a support ticket and our team will gladly assist you. As always, we want to thank you for choosing Avada.